The science behind mobile app development. In recent years, mobile devices, specifically smartphones and tablets, have become an integral part of our daily lives. The use of mobile apps has also grown exponentially due to their convenience and easy accessibility. With millions of apps available on app stores, the process of mobile app development has become more critical than ever. Behind every mobile app lies a complex process of designing and developing an application that meets users' needs and satisfies their expectations. In this article, we will be discussing the science behind mobile app development and the essential factors that go into creating an efficient, user-friendly application. Understanding mobile app development. Mobile app development is the process of creating software applications that run on mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. The process involves developing apps for specific mobile platforms such as iOS or Android. The development process encompasses several stages: designing, planning, coding, and testing. Each stage is critical and requires a high level of expertise and attention to detail. The science behind mobile app development. Mobile app development is a specialized field that requires various technical skills and knowledge. It involves developing apps for a specific operating system while ensuring it works seamlessly with different devices, including tablets and smartphones. Apps must also be optimized for different screen sizes, resolutions, and specifications. One of the most critical aspects of mobile app development is the user experience. As mobile apps are designed for end users, a poor user experience can ruin the app's reputation and lead to negative reviews. Therefore, developers must focus on creating apps that are user-centric, intuitive, and easy to use. Planning, designing, and development. The first step in the mobile app development process is planning and designing. During this stage, developers define the app's objectives, target audience, features, and functionalities. The planning stage provides a comprehensive blueprint that outlines all the app's requirements, enabling developers to define the development process. Once the planning stage is complete, the app design process begins. Design involves wireframing, UI, UX design, and prototyping. The user interface, UI, design is critical as it determines how the app looks and feels. The interface should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for the operating system. User experience, UX, design focuses on how the app interacts with the user. An excellent app should have an intuitive design that creates a seamless experience for users. After the design stage, development commences. Developers leverage programming languages such as HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and Swift to create an app's functionality. Back-end development involves setting up databases, APIs, web services, and server-side scripting. The app's front-end development involves creating an interface and optimally placing all the essential elements. Testing and deployment. The final stage of mobile app development is testing and deployment. Testing aims to identify any bugs or issues before the app goes live. Developers use several testing methods, including unit testing, integration testing, and acceptance testing. These tests ensure the app's stability and functionality across various devices and operating systems. Once testing is complete, the app is deployed on app stores or enterprise app stores for wider distribution. Factors that influence mobile app development results. Mobile app development is a complex process that requires attention to detail and expertise. Apart from development, other critical factors impact the app development process. Here are some factors that influence mobile app development results. 1. Device compatibility. Mobile apps must work seamlessly across various devices and operating systems. Device compatibility is a critical factor that developers must consider when developing mobile apps. This affects the app's functionality, appearance, and user experience. 2. Network connectivity. Mobile apps require a stable network connection to function effectively. If an app relies on constant data transfer, it must have a stable and reliable network connection to operate successfully. 3. Security. Security is a critical factor in mobile app development. Security threats and vulnerabilities can expose sensitive user information to malicious actors. Developers must ensure that apps are secure by following best practices and integrating security features such as multi-factor authentication, data encryption, and secure connections. 4. User experience. User experience, UX, is arguably the most crucial factor that influences mobile app development results. If an app has a poor user experience, it may not be successful, no matter how well it is developed. Developers must ensure that the app is easy to use, intuitive, and visually appealing. 5. Maintenance and support. Mobile app development does not stop after the app's deployment. Maintenance and support are critical factors that influence the success of an app. Developers must continually update and optimize the app to meet new challenges and adapt to changes in the market. In addition to the critical aspects of mobile app development highlighted above, there are several current trends in the industry that developers should keep an eye on. Firstly, the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning in mobile app development is becoming increasingly popular. These technologies allow developers to optimize app performance, improve accuracy, and enhance user experience. Another trend is the use of virtual and augmented reality in mobile apps. These technologies create an immersive experience for users, making the app more engaging and entertaining. With the growth of these technologies, developers can develop more complex applications, including games, and improve the user experience. Furthermore, mobile app development is becoming more popular in the healthcare industry. Healthcare providers are adopting mobile apps to improve patient engagement, deliver care remotely, and enhance clinical workflows. In this case, developers must ensure that the apps adhere to industry regulations and ensure patient information is secure. Finally, mobile app development is also shifting towards cross-platform development. Cross-platform development enables developers to create apps that work seamlessly on multiple platforms, including iOS and Android. This approach reduces development costs, improves app quality, and enhances user experience. As technology continues to evolve, so will the world of mobile app development. Developers must stay informed about new trends and technologies to remain competitive in the market and deliver the best solutions. With the right skills and expertise, mobile app development can be a profitable and exciting field for developers. Moreover, it has an enormous potential to improve different aspects of our daily lives, including communication, healthcare, and entertainment. Mobile app development has revolutionized the way we interact with technology, allowing us to access various services anytime, anywhere. As the world becomes more digitally connected, mobile app development will continue to play a critical role in meeting the needs of users.